Hi, I'm Bertrand. Welcome back to the Boomers Tech Show, where we show boomers how to use tech to make their lives easier. In this video, we're going to look at some basic gestures, starting with the widgets. In order to get your widgets, you simply drag from the left of the screen over. To get your notifications, you drag from the top down. To get your control center, again, you drag from the right-hand side on the top down. To do a spotlight search, you simply drag from the middle down. To bring up your keyboard, again, you drag from the middle down. To see all of the apps open on your screen and get the app switcher, you simply drag from the bottom up. To get rid of apps, you simply flick it. To enlarge or decrease a picture size, you pinch to zoom. To select a text, you simply double tap and then slide, and then you either can cut, copy, paste, add comment, or insert a link. To make your text larger or smaller, you simply pinch to zoom. To move and see all of the apps on your screen, you simply swipe left or right. So this has been a quick tutorial on iPad Basics Part 5, Gestures. If you found value in this tutorial, please hit that like button, subscribe, ring the bell, and we will see you in our next video. Thanks for watching the Boomers Tech Show.